The LinkIQ Industrial Ethernet Cable Plus Network Tester helps you prevent and troubleshoot the #1 cause of industrial Ethernet problems. It provides cable testing you can trust, along with the network testing you need. It's got a gesture-based touchscreen that makes operation as easy as your mobile phone. For testing cable, just plug the cable into the tester and select the bandwidth you require, up to 10 gigabits per second. Each cable will get a pass or fail indication based on the bandwidth requirements you set. You can save up to 1,000 tests in the LinkIQ. It automatically increments the cable identifier to save you time. You can document and share your work on your free Linkware PC utility, which is used by tens of thousands of users worldwide. Linkware PC also allows you to generate PDF reports. If the cable fails, LinkIQ can help you find the problem. The display shows miswires, and it will show you the distance to opens or breaks. Find the right cable with the built-in toner that works with our IntelliTone or any basic analog probe. And maximize efficiency with an optional kit that provides 7 remotes. LinkIQ can also help you troubleshoot or install network devices. Plug it into the device's connection and you'll see what's there. If it's a cable, it will show you the length of each pair or the distance to any breaks. If it's connected to a switch port, you'll see the switch name along with the port and VLAN number, plus the speed and duplex settings. LinkIQ also performs extensive power over Ethernet tests. It shows the class and amount of power. It also places a load on the PoE connection to see if the power can be delivered. And just like the cable testing, you can quickly document your results. The LinkIQ Cable Plus Network Tester. Try it yourself on our virtual demo